What's good, guys? Welcome back to John's Kitchen. Today we're going to be taking you through making a tasty avocado toast. Tell me, who doesn't love a good avocado toasty? For this recipe, grab yourself 2 medium-sized avocados, use a knife to cut it in half, remove the seed and then squeeze the flesh into a bowl. Now grab a bigger bowl and start adding the rest of the ingredients. Add the lime juice last, so it doesn't oxidize your herbs. Then give your mixture a nice mix and then keep on the side for the next step. Get a nice thick slice of some good quality bread, butter each side, then toast in the pan until nice and golden brown on each side. When toasting the bread, make sure that the heat is not too high so you don't burn your bread, like I almost did. Once your bread is nice and toasted, it's time to start adding a very generous amount of your avocado mix. I like to try and defy the laws of physics by adding as much avocado as I possibly can. But if you're not as avocado crazy as I am, you can easily split this mixture onto 2 slices of toast and enjoy instead. But at the end of the day, it's your sandwich, guys. You enjoy it however you want. From start to finish, this recipe shouldn't take you any more than 10 minutes. It's super quick, easy and tasty. And that's it, guys. We're done. We made it through another video. Thank you to all of you who managed to stick around until the end. Watch out for some new videos dropping early next week. And remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Thank you, guys. See you again soon.